Hi friends, this is new smart house utility products name DeLonghi Dinamica automatic coffee and espresso machine. The about this item, the TrueBrew processes delivers smooth full-bodied iced coffee by brewing at a lower temperature, free infusing and infusing the coffee over ice that's never watered down. Half of time in less than only 40 seconds with Italian 15 bar high performance pump, and it takes only 40 seconds to heart up the machine and start brewing. Enjoying the freshest cup of coffee earlier of for registering your coffee machine. For registering your coffee machine, it's a great and original products in Amazon. Amazon products is a best products of the world. Thank you so much.